Yes, consider this problem statement where we are asked to find mean, median, and mode for the given set of numbers in the list. Okay, so for this purpose, we can make use of statistics module. Okay, so from the statistics module, we can import the respective functionality like finding mean. So we have mean. Okay, and similarly for finding mode or finding median, we have respective functions available. Okay, so we can actually import all this from the statistics module, and you can start writing a sample list like list1 is equal to some list of elements. You can take like 15, okay, 20, okay, 23, 7, 45, 63, 46, 37, 23, like this. Okay, so now from these elements, let us suppose I want to compute mean. Okay, so we can apply the function directly. Okay, and we can print like mean is. Okay, so mean of list 1 you can apply. Similarly, you can start printing median. Okay, median is median of list 1, and now we'll print mode. Mode is, okay, so mode of list 1. Clear? So let's run this code and see the result. So you can observe the mean is 31, median is 23, and mode is 23. Okay, for example, I'm modifying this value to 237. Okay, so now you see here mean value is 54.777 and median value is 37 and mode value is 15. Okay, if you further change some of the lists elements like 201 here, and here I'll modify with 709. Okay, here I'll modify with 123. Okay, here I'll modify with 469, something like this. Now when you run, you will see mean value is 211 now, median value is 123, and mode is 15. Okay, so this is how you can make use of statistics module in order to import this mean, median, and mode. Okay.